Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here is one of my medium-size or large-size baskets. I think this is going to be a large for a preteen, and this is a Pocahontas concept. I have a Pocahontas doll there, and I have several of those dolls, so I will be making a few of these baskets. We also have our Disney Princess cup with Pocahontas on it. I included the high bath bomb crumbles as well as a bubble wand, our Mr. Bubbles sizzle bath salts. We have our eggs in the front there, and in the back there I have included the candy, fruit snacks, Cheez-Its, Rice Krispie treats. We have our dots, Tootsie Rolls, our Tiger Pop, Airhead, and I have some Disney Princess crowns back there, as well as a Disney Princess jewelry making set and some Fun Dip. So I put all the snacks on the back and put the toys on the front. So this is a very, very cute preteen basket for a young girl or a preteen. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. I think this basket has turned out lovely. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.